This holder is suitable for Dyson's V6, V7, V8, V10, V11, V12, V15 vacuum cleaner. If you have a vacuum cleaner with problems organizing its accessories, a stand holder may be a nice choice for you. You can mount the vacuum holder right onto the stand without having to worry about having holes in my wall. Another great thing is that this stand is portable, so you can move it around to find the most suitable place for it. The holder is made of high-quality 100% metal curved flat iron, which is more durable and stable. It can hold more than 8 accessories. It consists of 3 parts: the upper hanger, the middle hanger, and the base. The upper hanger can hold the docking station, crevice tool, and the main body of vacuum cleaner. The middle hanger can hold the accessory tools. The base can hold the soft roller cleaner head and direct drive cleaner head. If you are worried about the installation, this holder is definitely a blessing for you. You can easily install the holder with only 9 screws.